Hello, aspiring developers. Today, I'm excited to share a fantastic resource that could be a game changer for your programming journey. Introducing the complete Java Development Bootcamp on Udemy. This comprehensive course is your ticket to becoming a proficient Java developer. Whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this course covers it all, from basic like variables, conditionals, and loops to advanced concepts such as lambda expressions, inheritance, and stream operations. What sets this course apart is its interactive learning experience with over 100 coding exercises and workbooks. You will have hands-on practice that ensures you not only understand but can apply what you have learned. And here is the kicker: mastering Java with this course opens up doors to diverse career paths. Whether you are eyeing web development, Android app creation, automation, or more, the skills you gain here are your golden ticket. So if you are someone who learns by doing, loves a good challenge, and wants to grasp Java in one go, then this course is tailor-made for you. Enroll in the complete Java Development Bootcamp today and let's kickstart your journey to Java mastery.